Eemax has been at the forefront of environmental efficiency and sustainability for over 30 years, leading the evolution of hot water as America's #1 manufacturer of energy-efficient tankless electric water heaters. And today, we're proud to join the rest of the Rheem family of brands in our bold commitments for 2025 to dramatically reduce our impact on the environment. As a global company, Rheem is committed to addressing the labor shortage and increasing training needs facing the air and water industries. And we see a future with zero waste in the use and manufacturing of Eemax products. We are reimagining all our products to slash their environmental footprint, refining our processes to drastically reduce our greenhouse gas impact and landfill waste, all while training the trade on the benefits and best practices of sustainable air and water products that are good for the environment and reduce utility bills for customers. Because from the very beginning, we've integrated sustainable thinking into everything we do. And as a member of a global family of brands, we will deliver greater performance while contributing to something greater than ourselves, creating solutions that truly make a difference, evolving hot water, and delivering a greater degree of good.